I'm Tay Sevillano, the president of the Art Association of Bacolod Negros. And I'm also happy, no? Some of you are very familiar, Gid, and some are friends also. Thank you for coming today. And we are so happy, the Art Association of Bacolod Negros, together with the Camera Club of Negros, are happy na we have been given the chance by the city government of Bacolod and also our Bacolod Gugma Foundation Incorporated to be able to share our talents to other artists and photographers. And hindi lang ni para sa among organisasyon, but we want to encourage tanan-tanan, no? So they have contests, we also have contests. And for our Art Association of Bacolod Negros, we are on our 50th year. So nalipay gid kami to be part of the Mascara Festival, which is also na ang most of our AABN artists are also the ones who founded the festival along with Sir Eli Santiago. So we want to pay homage to our founding artists. Some of them have already passed on, and but some are still here. No, if you want to interview them, let us know. We can connect them with you. Si Sir Rodney Martinez, si Sir Roy Aguilar. We have so many pa na who can talk to you about Sir Bambo Tonobanwa, who is still our BOD in AAB right now. So for this year's Mascara Festival, we want to honor our past by celebrating our present. And with this year's festival, we have 3 art events that we're going to do. So, since the heart of Mascara is actually art, diba? Unique yan nga to Mascara Festival because hindi ni siya religious na festival, diba? And it's very historical and both mga artists ang nag-start. So, it's the best way. Our language for our celebration, I've always said it many times, even during the Panaad and of course the several festivals that we artists were invited to, that the language of festivals is art, no? Dance, visual arts, music, photography, kadamo-damo. So performing arts. So the language of our festivals is art. The language of our celebration is art. So in this way, we immortalize, no, ang feeling, ang ginatawag tabla nga Mascara vibe, no. I was talking to Mayor Gerg last month when we did the courtesy call. Nahaba ko, Mayor G, tani, ma-immortalize tan or whole year round, we will be able to give that Mascara vibe. Hindi lang during the Mascara season. So I think the one ang purveyors gitsiniis ang awan aton yung mga artists, aton mga photographers, whole year round we will try to do our best. And Mayor and the city government of Bacolod and also our councilors and all of the other sectors are also very supportive of that. So our first art event, which actually is on its 4th year, no? Ginpadayon namon ang ginsuguran namon 3 years ago after the pandemic. We started out, the Art Association of Bacolod Negros, we started out with on-the-spot mascara painting contest. So hindi lang siya nasa canvas but on a mascara. So we made giant mask, big mask. Okay, we have larger mask, no? So this is made of paper. So to also celebrate ang ginobra nga mga first nga mascara sang una sang mga founding artists naton kay sila ni Sir Eli, Tito Nuni, and Sir Rodney. So ano na siya, improve na paper mascara, na paper mache. So we made that and later we will share with you, with the press, our wearable na mask na also paper mache. Just to know, some of you wala pang mangguro sa first na mascara. Even me, I was still a baby at that time. But according to our founding artist, the paper mache was made, no, because number one, very cheap siya, come from paper and old magazines. Second, ang glue niya is tayubong, super timan kabarato. And also, this was really for our brothers and sisters na wala bla ubra sa barangay. So that's why na amuman to na panumduman nila to start the mask industry, which is now what we're trying to also help out, no? The people who are doing this are people from my people from Banago. They help out, no? We met 3 years ago, and then still now they're still doing this, and we try to keep on improving our paper mache. So, anywho, the on the spot mascara painting contest is on its 4th year, and we're using this. And Indonesia will not go to waste, because our foundation and the city government of Bacolod, we will be mounting this finished na artwork, no, after it will be our giveaways, doc, to our sponsors and to our special guests. So hindi siya silingaw, it will just gather dust, but it will be shared to our guests also and our sponsors. So i-share ta sila para mabalik naman sila next year. And also thanks also to the Bacolod Gugma Foundation. This competition is free for all, no, from 15 years old and up. We will release all the information para hindi mabudlayan sila. We have the official page of the Art Association of Bacolod, and also the official page of Mascara Festival 2025. And we also made the Mascara Art Events page para guided mantanan how they can apply as contestant. But this is for free for all participants. It is open to all bona fide residents of Bacolod. So we'll be asking them proof of their residency and their barangay representation. And all materials, paint, brushes, wala na sila gastuhan kay ginbuligan kita ni Bacolod Gugma Foundation and the city government of Bacolod. So hindi na sila manumdum nga dalon ko, but if they want to bring their own materials, okay, kid. And we have other art events na hindi ni siya bago, but we want to continue it. So the first one is the mascara making contest. So this event is a tribute to the festival's origin, where paper mache were created to remember the first mascaras. We are inviting designers, ang mga artists, ang mga ubra decor sa mga kasal, bunyag, kag sa mga na events. This time hindi naman sila yung mag-paint. Ito yung kaginaya, mag-paint gito ya. This time naman, we made a smaller version. This is the medium size na paper mache. And we want them to do it like this. They can design their own mascara, no? So this is the mascara making competition. This is owned all by 21 restaurants. So 21 restaurants also support the Mascara Festival every year, no? They have their own decor, gini ang bilog style, gini sang mascara. So this is just an example, but this is 21 restaurants mascaras in tanan. So they can make their own design. This time naman niya pwede na yung ka-paste and glue kay kaginaya ang sa painting to ya. You are just allowed to just paint. Use paint lang gid, wala gan spray paint. Iniya, since this is not on the spot, they will be given a subsidy. Amo pagita gali. They will be given a little help for their materials if they are official contestants, and then they will have to give it back during the finished artwork, the finished designed mascara, isubmit nila on October 3. So, iniya, pwede niya, kapag gusto ni sila, they will be given enough time to design their mascara. So that's the second one. And the last but not the least, we have the Mascara Mask Gigante Puppets Competition. We're thrilled to announce the return of the iconic giant puppets. You may remember seeing them in previous festivals, and similar puppets are featured in other Philippine festivals like in Angono, Rizal, and Lucban, Quezon. So hindi siya new. Kag hindi siya nga siling aton lang, no? But this year, we're making them our own with the first ever mascara mask Gigante Puppets Competition. As usual, hindi na naman tayo magpapirti. Mas gigante pagitaya, diba? The theme is Toto and Inday sa Maskara, a tribute to the children who represent the future and the reason we continue this festival. This event aims to remind us that we celebrate for the next generation so they can learn from our resilience and see how we emerge stronger together. So, ang amon, pagid siningakwan nga ang team bala nasadyahan kami ni Direk Rodney, no? When we talked about it, because it's Toto and Inday sa Maskara. So, madumduman nyo siguro sa una, no, may mga kabataan nga ginatibong kaginabutang sa shoulders to watch. I remember gid na iya nga nagatanaw gid kami every Maskara, and we hope that the children now will be brought by the parents to see all the festivities during the Maskara. And we are incredibly grateful to our Bacol Gugma Foundation and the City Government of Bacolod, the councilors, Mayor G, and Vice Mayor Calao, and everybody is helping us to be able to share this with everybody, as I said kagina, no? Thank you man sa Camera Club of Negros. We have also our partnership na to build the digital archive of the Maskara history, no? So, since na pila na, dali na lang tamag 50th sa Maskara. So, it's actually about time that we do that also na ano. So, we, in behalf of also of President sa Camera Club of Negros, Ason Valdevia, we actually talked for it for years na, no, to build this digital archive. Kay permi lang kami ginapangayuan kung Maskara. So, you might as well build it, no, and make this digital archive of our photos. So, again, thank you to our friends from the media, and if you have questions, shoot up. Thank you.
About the dimensions ang mga Maskara, mga sigante, ano ba ako ni?
Ang sir, ang mas gigante puppets na Sir Giant Puppets. So, ara siya dapat sa 8 feet ang height. Kay matindog pa sila mo. So, 8 feet by 4 ang iyang width. Wala man actually na gidya ano sa width, pero ang sa height, ang maximum niya should be 8. Okay, para makaya pa. And at least 3 puppeteers per puppet, no? So, each entry will be 2 puppets. So, para Toto and Inday. And at a certain time, maybe next week, after we have already announced the contestants, we will ask them to come to get their character assignment. Because ang Toto and Inday will have, each entry will pick naman sa ilang assignment niya kung ano nga slice of life during Maskara ang makuha nila. So, we will announce it, but usually, anong makita sa magmaskara, di ba? May nag-inasal, may maskara dancers, may turista. So, those character assignments will be given to them. So, and very, important that they highlight in all of these art events, it's included. Now, they have to highlight the smiling icon of the Maskara Festival, because it wouldn't be Maskara if hindi siya ka-smile. Insakto. So, muna nga nga City of Smiles na, diba? So, we always want to, include nyo gitna, because that is very important. It doesn't have to be the logo, but dapat may ara, dira sang smiling icon. Thank you.
Sa 3 competitions, wala man registration.
Registration free? No. It's all free. It's all free. And this one, the mascara making, yung ma-design sila, may subsidy money, and then our giant puppets, may mas gigante puppets na ano, may medyo dako-dako ang igla nga subsidy from the foundation, because medyo dagko ang ila obrahon, and 2 kabilog kadaan per entry. So that would really help them. And also for the on the spot mascara painting competition, we don't have free gid na siya, and they will just need to come and paint during the day, no? Yes, Ron.
Disregarding the old files of Maskara, will there be a subsidy also for that?
Though,
Like suppose it we can submit the old files.
what we talked about with Sir Ason, no? Mayo kaya rin nasa nagabot si Sir Ason. Makasabat. Siya ni masabdon ta.
Sorry.
It's okay.